So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today we are solving another HackerRank problem where we have given a complex number and we have to find the r, that is distance from z to the origin, which is this and this angle. So we can do this by our CMath module, which is present in Python, and we can find the angle as phase cmath.phase. So phase complex and the real part and imaginary part, it will calculate the phase and absolute value, that is the r part. So let's check how this we will given as this input as this, and so let's see. So import cmath as cm, and we get x equals to input. So basically we are taking input as a string, right? So we evaluate it as y, and after we evaluate as y, so you can see if I will print y, what will happen? So it will print this as evaluated expression -1 -5j. So this evaluated as a expression. Let's, if I will type y, so type y will be, let's check, type y, I don't know why it is not reading. Okay, let's print type y. So you can see class complex, so it is now a complex, but when we will print type x, so it will say us as string. So we are taking input as string and then converting it into complex. So eval function does it for us, and so let's comment this, then comment this, then comment this. And in CMath module, so any complex number, we can access the real part and imaginary part. So y is the complex number available here, and we can access the real part and imaginary part. So real part, you can see here x plus yj, x is the real part and y is the imaginary part. So we can access the real part by y dot real. This will give us the real part, and we will store it in variable a, and b is equal to y dot imaginary part. So imaginary, for imaginary we are taking this imag. You can also check this CMath module, and here it is specifying we can access z dot real and z dot imaginary. So we can first let's run this. Yeah, we get -1 and -5. So let's comment this out, and so first we are taking r, which is the absolute value of these two things, and then we are taking phase, which is the phase angle. Let's run the code, and I think everything will be fine. Let's check what we are getting. Yeah, so you are getting something like this, and let's take 1 plus 2j. So we are taking the sample input here given here, so that we can check our code is right or wrong. And 2.23 1.10, so here, yeah, we are getting perfect result. Let's uncheck this and run code against the sample test case. Yeah, this is successful, and yeah, we successfully submitted our CMath function code, and I hope you guys understood how this works, and I hope you guys knew or got to know about this module, and I hope you will explore. If you want to explore, just go to documentation, and here you can see all the things here, and this is very useful things in mathematical things, so you can check out and solve the problems as you need. I hope you find it helpful. I will meet you in next video. Thank you very much for watching.